On. Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Stage 1 prop is nominal. Stage 1 entry startup. Stage 1 is transonic. Stage 1 landing weird startup. Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
Falcon 9 has landed.
Hello y'all, this is Nurture Space. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a Starlink video. I'm your host from Nurture Space and today is Starlink 7-11. Let's get into detail about this launch. So this Starlink mission will launch 22 wait, give me a second. Sorry about that. Today's mission is launching 22 Starlink batches of satellites to low Earth orbit. This mission will be launching from LC-4E, Vandenberg Space Force Base, California, USA. This booster is B-1063. It'll be at 16th flight. It'll be landing on A Course I Still Love You. It'll be at 61 turnaround time and the 277th Falcon recovery attempt. Now let's get a good video up here. Let's see if there's a CRS mission, because I love showcasing these missions. Ooh, we actually have a good one. DART. We've this rocket, or this one has launched DART. Now, Cintio, I'll show the Cintio 6A mission. Here we go.
You may notice some water beginning to flood the pad here. That's very intentional. That's actually a sound suppression system that occurs to allow the sound of the vibration of the sound to actually be suppressed, and it also helps with some cooling as well.
Falcon 9 is configured for flight.
T-minus 15. 10,
9,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of Sentinel-6, Michael Freilich, continuing a legacy of ocean observation and international collaboration to benefit all humanity.
M1D propulsion is nominal.
power and telemetry nominal.
You saw that? You saw the Centio A6A Michael mission? Um Michael Frenchelier? I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyways, getting more into this mission, that was B-1063. Yep. Um, yeah, this is going to be launching from Vandenberg. This booster will be landing, of course, I still love you. We should get some good views. This launch time will be Friday, January the 19th, 2024 at 8:15 p.m. CST. This also will be the 15th orbital launch attempt of any orbital class vehicle around the world of 2024. The 307th mission of SpaceX and the 7th mission of a Falcon 9 rocket. The 293rd mission of a Falcon 9 rocket, the 7th mission of Falcon 9 rocket, too. So yeah, I'm a little sick today, but I'm taking it up. We're doing more high quality content. Like, I was not lying. This is gonna be a Block 5 version of the Falcon 9. As usual, this is not gonna be exact Block 5 you saw in Coruscant. This is a different type of Block A or a Block 5 version. It has tweaks to it, but there's some minor new things with this Falcon 9 rocket. They changed the aluminum fins into titanium. So yeah, that was about a decade and a half ago since they changed it to aluminum to titanium. So yeah, I'm ready to see this launch because this would be the second Vandenberg launch I stream. I streamed the other ones, but still, I've streamed two if this one goes well. Now, sadly, they did scrub for unknown reasons on my part. But anyways, getting into this, let me see if we can get some updates. All right. So the last update from SpaceX was propellant load has begun for the night's launch of 22 Starlink satellites from California. All systems are currently go. Teams are watching the weather. So weather probability will be a noticeable watch out item. So yeah. Now the other update was from the last time they tried to launch. This was standing down from the night's Falcon 9 launch attempt, now targeting Friday, January 19th, which is today. And the other update, which is up next, is Falcon 9 target to the launch of 22 Starlink satellites from orbit from California in 3.5 hours. Still, it doesn't. It's not right, but still, that was the last update from it. Yeah, I think we have a little time to show the update for the flight mission. Yeah, we have like a couple minutes until SpaceX starts to stream. Let me go a quick update or a quick run over the flight path today. All right, I need to do this quick. All right. So SpaceX is currently going for um, 8:09 for for the stream to start. So yeah, that's some good news. Um, there's no delays or nothing with the count. So basically, um, yep. All right, let's do this. Let's try this again. So we should get. Yep, here we go. Here's the countdown. So for today's launch, at 38 minutes, SpaceX launcher director verifies go for propellant load. At 35 minutes, RP1 load starts. At 35 seconds, first stage LOX load starts. So at 35 minutes on both RP1 and LOX starts on first stage. At 16 minutes, second stage LOX load begins. Also, that RP1 loads on the second stage too at 35 minutes. Um, Falcon 9 and Falcon 9 begins chilling their engines at 7 minutes. At 1 minute, flight computers do the final pre-launch checks, and then at 1 minute also they do the for pressurization in flight or pressurization for flight. At SpaceX, 45 seconds, SpaceX gives the go for launch. At 3 seconds, engine ignition starts, and 0 seconds, and Falcon 9 lifts off. Going down, here's the ascent plan. Launch, land, ascent, launch, ascend, stage separation. grid fins deploy, entry burn, and then landing, and then fairing deploy, Seeker, and then SES-1, SES Seeker 2, and then Starlink deployment. And then at 1 minute 12 seconds, max Q happens at 2 minutes and 26 seconds. The first stage cuts off at 2 minutes and 20 seconds, 30 seconds. First stage and second stages separate. At second stage, engine starts at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then 3 minutes and 5 seconds, fairing deploys in 6 minutes 15 seconds. The first stage entry burn starts up. And at 6 minutes and 37 seconds, the first stage entry burn shuts down. And then 8 minutes and 8 seconds, the first stage landing burn starts, and then at 8 minutes and 30 seconds, the landing finishes. And 8 minutes and 38 seconds, second stage cuts off. At 53 minutes and 43 seconds, we have SES-2, and at 53 and 45 seconds, second stage engine cuts off. So at 2 seconds, the engine cuts off. And 1 hour and 2 minutes and 47 seconds, the Starlinks deploy. So yeah, that's the flight plan. So yeah, SpaceX should be ready. I'm positive that they're ready. SpaceX is always ready. I've been supporting SpaceX for a year, and it's not a regret. SpaceX is good for all. And we're at 8:09 p.m. And yeah, that was some quick commentary. That's why SpaceX started. All right, I'm gonna get my count up for the Starlink mission. At 1 minute to 30 seconds, I'll give my final commentary until liftoff happens, and yeah, I'll see y'all during the launch.
Tanks are pressing for strongly retract.
Stage 1 lock split complete. Stage 2 lock split complete. Gas closeouts. Falcon 9 is the startup, and we have aborted.
And abort. Launch director just called out abort. We're not holding. This is abort. Falcon 9 cannot hold. It has to go through T0 to launch. So sadly, Falcon 9 is aborted. So let me just do that. And we hit the T0. This is the estimated T0. We're getting a word from SpaceX what happened. It's either due to weather or the vehicle issues. That was it for the Starlink 7-11 attempt. Thank y'all for watching. Goodbye, y'all.
3, 2, 1. Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Stage 1 prop is nominal. Stage 1 entry startup. Stage 1 is transonic. Stage 1 landing weird startup.